how to use Xfinity Wi-Fi on Xbox. So here's a step-by-step guide. First, you will need to turn on your Xbox, obviously, and then go into the network settings. Press the Xbox button on your controller to open up the guide. Navigate to the profile and system, the icon with the profile picture. Then you go into settings, and in the settings, you will select general and then choose network settings. How to connect to the Xfinity Wi-Fi. Under network settings, you want to select setup wireless network. A list of the available networks will appear and you want to choose Xfinity Wi-Fi from the list. If you see Xfinity Wi-Fi or Xfinity, choose that network. When prompted, you may be asked to sign into your Xfinity account. You might need to use a web browser to authenticate the connection. Authenticate using a web browser. Once connected, the Xbox may direct you to the Xfinity Wi-Fi login page. If this doesn't happen automatically, you want to go into Microsoft Edge. You can find it under My Games and Apps. In the browser, you want to go into xfinity.com and log in with your Xfinity account credentials, email and password, and follow any prompts to authenticate and authorize your device on the network. Then the only thing that's left is checking your connection. Once you have been successfully logged in, your Xbox should be connected to the Xfinity Wi-Fi. To verify, you want to go back to network settings and choose test network connection to ensure everything is working properly. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.